The Biggest Week in American Birding is a 10-day festival that takes place annually in Northwest Ohio, along the shores of Lake Erie, aligning with the peak of spring migration. This festival brings in thousands of attendees, from beginner to advanced birders, eager to experience the magic of seeing many of the eastern United States' most colorful warblers and other fan-favorite birds. This area is even referred to as the warbler capital of the world. The festival hosts tours, workshops, keynote speakers, presentations, a vendor market, trivia contests, an optics tent, and more. And field trips vary from van trips, meet-on-site trips, woodcock walks, young birder trips, and accessibility field trips, among others. There really is a little something for everyone.
I think the area is beautiful. It's easy to get to. Things are much closer. And yeah, the birding is excellent, so I think it's great.
This is my third time here, so I've been here a number of times. But it's always a great experience. All the warblers and all the birds. I'm from the West Coast, so everything is totally different here.
One of the main draws of the festival is the McGee Marsh boardwalk, which is over a half-mile long and offers a birding experience unlike any other. Close views of vibrant birds with a community of other nature enthusiasts.
How's the boardwalk experience been?
It's been awesome.
Best warbling day of my life so far. So
yeah, way better views of all of the species that we've seen before. So
way better.
Awesome.
Yeah, we go birding other places and you can see them, but not 5 feet from your face.
It might seem overwhelming with so many birds, but there's a lot of birders here as well who are more than willing. People who are standing beside you who you don't even know will be helping you with bird ID, pointing out where a bird is, help you get on the bird to be able to see it.
It's worth noting that the Biggest Week isn't just about warblers. Field trips take place in all different locations, and there are great opportunities to see other stunning species, especially different types of birds found in grasslands and marshes. With the great diversity of species, many visitors will leave with a few new life birds, or birds they were able to see for the first time in their lives.
There's a lot of good birds and got some lifers for the students, so couldn't have been better.
Got your gray cheeks?
Yep, lifer for me.
Let's go. Are the gray cheeks?
Yeah, gray cheeks, that was good. A couple people got that as a lifer.
Totally. How's it feel to get a lifer?
Amazing. And this was one of my spring targets, so I'm pretty excited.
Man, another lifer.
Another lifer?
Yeah, I've gotten a few out here today.
So you guys just got your lifer screech owl, huh?
Yes, we did.
Screech owl, and we got a blue-winged warbler, which was one of the warblers we were looking for.
Although the birding is incredible, it really is the atmosphere that sets the Biggest Week apart from other festivals, and everyone should experience it at least once in their lives.
This Biggest Week in American Birding is a great festival. Lots of things going on. It attracts people from all over the Western Hemisphere. So it's definitely a must-see event in the Eastern United States.
Yeah, it's just a very magical place to be, it seems like.
People should come to Biggest Week just to experience it. It has become one of the iconic events in birding in the world, and I think everyone should come at least once. What we usually find is that once people have been here and have felt the energy of the Biggest Week, they want to come back. So people come sort of like, well, I'll give it a try, and then they're back every year. Everyone should try it at least once to be able to say that they've been here, they've seen this phenomenon, they've seen this migration, this gathering of people who love birds.
On paper, the Biggest Week is a 10-day birding festival held in Northwest Ohio in May, timed to coincide with the peak of songbird migration. But in reality, what it is one of the greatest gatherings of souls that most people have ever been part of. And I hear this over and over from people that they leave here changed. They forged lifelong friendships. We've been doing this long enough that people have met and fallen in love, and now they're getting married. And businesses, tour companies have been formed from the connections built at Biggest Week. So I think that when you bring people together with birds in a magical way like we do here, it not only changes the lives of people, but it helps us do great things for bird conservation too.
Whether you're just starting to learn about birds and birding, or are a seasoned veteran, you're sure to have a great time at the Biggest Week in American Birding.